Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to gaming industry and the stock market, the financial markets. And today, before the weekend, I will give you the latest, another Ubisoft Entertainment stock video, guys. So you have seen, or probably if you watch my other videos, you have seen that we were massively dropping again, and we are now where the stock has been around about in mid 2015 or 2016 2015. So the stock fell massively. So guys, you heard about the story, and today Ubisoft was coming a little bit back with 1.32% up again. So this is of course not making a big of difference if you look now here, for example, at the stock, guys. So if we look at the 5-day chart, we see this massive drop. So coming back a little bit from the 12th of January from yesterday, from the low 1877, guys. And then something very interesting today. And I thought what was interesting was this article here by Kotaku. I'm not going to read the whole article. I'm also putting a link in the description of this video. So, on Kotaku, they write, "Today, more than ever, I need your full energy and commitment to ensure we get back on the path of success." This is what Ubisoft CEO Yves Guillemot was writing in an email to the staff, apparently. I say, because I mean, I don't have this information. It's Kotaku. A copy which was viewed by Kotaku. So I'm also asking that each of you be especially careful and strategic with your spending. So meaning spending of for games, not for games on Steam, spending for development of games, of course, and in your initiatives to ensure we are being as efficient and lean, so not spending too much as possible. So, very interesting. So, and then on another article, the PC Gamer, which was actually citing this article. So it's not actual, and it was not really clear if it's really written there, was saying, or they made their analysis and they were saying now the CEO is now blaming actually the developers, the workforce in Ubisoft for the path that Ubisoft is now on. So yeah, of course, I don't think, I mean, I haven't seen this email, and I don't really find this now in this Kotaku article. I was going very quickly through it, so I don't find this information. So I think it's a CEO who sees actually what's going on with his company. So it's a CEO that sees his company did also some major gaming mistakes, and probably he didn't even take those decisions for not having games anymore on Steam. Probably he didn't take the decisions. Probably he also didn't take the decisions for the Epic exclusivity on PC, or also for having an Assassin's Creed Valhalla, which is way too big. Which is bloated, and probably also didn't really take the decisions to cancel and stop all the developments of those new games. So, I don't know. Did he really take the decision? I doubt it. I mean, someone else has to be responsible for this. But we see, I mean, over 20,000 employees here. If you look on Google Finance and Ubisoft, that's a lot of people. So, I mean, with over 20,000, you have always someone. Some people that are extremely good in what they're doing, and then some people that are not so good in what they're doing. And I guess also there will come some massive layoffs for Ubisoft, because this is not sustainable. I mean, let's be honest here, this is not sustainable. And also decisions like the Mario Rabbids game not being successful, or other decisions. So I don't think, I mean, it's not the CEO, but, and now I'm here with you guys. I said it already in my must-watch video, I think the CEO did so many mistakes. He really, and I was reading in my must-watch video for shareholders. I was reading this article here, or this shareholder letter. So I think he he is not really seeing what the problem is with Ubisoft, and we all know what the problem is. That's the whole issue here. So we, the gamers, we know what the problem is with Ubisoft, and now Ubisoft is going with this announcement. They're going to make minus 500 versus 400 previously announced in revenue. So you see this? I mean, that's the whole problem. So, and then in 2023 they say again they go back to 400 million. So if this is the case, then the stock might even be interesting again. So, but who knows if this is going to be the case, guys? So I don't know. Do you? We all don't know this. So, but yeah, when you see some cyclical aspect here in Ubisoft. So let's see. We go from 2000, and it took us, for example, let's say 7 years that Ubisoft was higher again than on the top in 2000 on the .com high-tech bubble. And then let's look at the 2007-8 crash. It took Ubisoft again. We can look here. Yeah, roundabout. Let's go. Yeah, let's say, okay, again, 8 years. And if we look now at this pandemic bubble, so this could actually take Ubisoft again. Well, it's not actually then 2018 is maybe not was not the pandemic bubble. So let's say the 2018 bubble top, then it would take Ubisoft maybe until 2026 for the stock to be back at this height. So, and only if the market, everything with the market goes well. And of course, I mean, yeah, those numbers have to improve. Those numbers you have to improve. So revenue has to go up, net income has to go up, cash flow has to go up, net profit margin has to go up, and not down. Net profit margin goes down here. Net income went down, so operating expenses went up, and revenue also down. And now, yeah, that's the old numbers actually. And then with the new numbers, oh my God, the new numbers that are coming soon, all of this is looking even worse. So 173 million net change in cash. So we are going to have actually 400 net change in cash. So this is going to hurt. This is going to hurt, guys. So, and now probably people ask themselves, or they wonder if I would now, for example, buy some more. So yeah, of course, first of all, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a YouTuber, a retail investor as you guys, and you have to make your own research. So I'm not recommending the stock here to buy. I don't recommend to short the stock. I don't recommend anything with Ubisoft. So I'm just telling you where I am at the moment. So I am massively down. It's not a big, it's not, yeah, I think it's 0.20, so 0.20 percent of my overall portfolio. So it's okay. I'm doing well, and I have another stocks that are even worse than Ubisoft. So I admit this too, but I also have some better stocks, of course. Yeah, what I am doing. So guys, I'm waiting. To be honest, I'm waiting here. So I'm not jumping here. In. So I would even be fine to see a clear signal of improvement when we go back to the $29 or $30 range. So if we cross here again the latest Fibonacci retracement. So I'm absolutely fine with waiting. So I'm not really interested here to push my luck. So because to be honest, I don't know. Now everything is possible, that it goes to 16 euros or that it goes to 12 euros even. So all of this is possible. And let's say Assassin's Creed Mirage comes out, a new Assassin's Creed, which is going to play in an old Baghdad environment, Iraq environment. So people, yeah, Ubisoft now thinks everyone wants to have this kind of Assassin's Creed. So back to the roots, Assassin's Creed, less RPG Assassin's Creed, smaller world, more story related. I don't know, guys. I mean, they tried it with Unity. They tried it with the London Assassin's Creed Syndicator. They were not so popular. I mean, this is the old Assassin's Creed. Unity, Syndicate, those are the old Assassin's Creed. And I didn't like them, and they were full of bugs, by the way. But I didn't like the way how you played them. So I really liked Origin and Odyssey. Those are one of my favorite games of the last years, and I really loved them. So, and Valhalla I don't like so much because I think it was simply too big, and it didn't have those RPG experience points, progression system anymore. So Therefore, I, for example, did like Valhalla so much, but it was not that Valhalla was a bad game. So, and this is really important. So, and I think here again, Ubisoft might go the wrong way with Assassin's Creed Mirage, and now someone comes with a lot of nostalgia and nostalgic feelings about the old Assassin's Creed. They remember themselves 15 years ago sitting in front of their PlayStation or PlayStation 2, whatever, where it came out, playing those Assassin's Creed games, and everything was fine, and they were young and had a nice girlfriend and whatever, or not a girlfriend, had a dog, whatever. So I understand this. So you remember all of this, guys, but this doesn't mean that you now, when you're now over 30 or 40 or whatever, that you are going to have the same fun with those new Assassin's Creed games. So therefore, this is very important to keep in mind. So of course, Ubisoft is not only Assassin's Creed, it is also Splinter Cell, it is also Rainbow Six, Ghost Recon, all those Tom Clancy games. So, and there is a lot of potential. And the Division 2, I actually bought it now on Steam, the 24 euro Ultimate Edition I bought on Steam, so I'm going to play it. So see, even that Ubisoft is so much down for the price almost of one stock. No, I paid actually more for the Division 2 than I would pay for the stock. So alright guys, so short video, I promise you a short video, so 10 minutes, that's enough, 11 minutes, that's enough. So check out please my other videos, so, and I promise you now, now I make a little pause on Ubisoft videos, so I'm keeping now the Ubisoft news flow a little bit down, and we will see what's happening in the future. So, but this week was fully for Ubisoft. This was the full Ubisoft coverage week for my little niche channel. So if you enjoy this channel, comment, like, and subscribe. Also give me some ideas of other companies you want me to talk about, especially from the gaming sector, of course, because I'm trying to concentrate myself on this niche, of course, a little bit, and not jumping now on Tesla, Palantir, and all the other stocks. So I guess we're not really helping anyone or each other if we are going to talk about those stocks. So game over. So yeah, trading game over. Video game publisher Ubisoft needs to get their head in the game to turn things around. Ubisoft has reached a 7-year low for the company's share price after plunging by 14% yesterday. The last 2 years have taken the video game publisher on a steady trip down the charts, dropping by over 55% to a price of around 20 to 77 per share. Yesterday's drop was caused by a slew of bad news, which spooked investors. The company cancelled the development of 3 unannounced titles, delayed the launch of Skull and Bones for the 6th time. Yeah, guys. Yes, that's correct. And reduced Skull and Bones is dead. So this game is dead, by the way. So, and reduced its full year revenue guidance, not its finest hour. So Ubisoft sales for 2022 also came in weaker than expected, which some JP Morgan analysts chalked up to a shift in consumer interest away from major game publishers towards mid and small level publishers. So, oh, you know my videos about those Polish gaming companies? It's a trend that's only been adding to Ubisoft's woes. Good article. I like this article. So that's excellent. So, alright guys, see you next time. Bye bye.